So I'll create a new class. I'll make it a static and non-static as my class name. Then I'll make it as package, so we'll not get the public keyword. That's it. Then I'll go finish. So if I want my main function, type main control space enter. So that will get you, public static void name. Any variables that have been declared inside the main function will be called as a local variable. Okay. Inside main function, okay, you cannot declare and then initialize in a different step. So, right. And as sorry, not in this. Okay. But my bad. Okay, so anything that has been declared and initialized inside the main function will be called as a local variable here. Okay, anything that has been declared outside the function, okay, I'll make it as integer a is equal to 15, integer b is equal to 60 is called as a global variable. So global variable is of two types. So one, I will make it as static. The another one, I'll make it as non-static here. Okay. So static variables actually what means will have a keyword called static. Non-static variables will not have any keyword. When we declare it outside, that will be called as a non-static variable. That's it. So now local variables can be directly used with the help of the class name directly. Okay, so same thing if it is a static variable, what we used to do, we used to access them with the help of the class name. So as of now, I'll just make the class name in a small letter so that easier for us to see. I'll rename it as. So always when you want to rename a file or a class or a package or a project, you have to right click on the specific file, right click, refactor, rename. This is the way you have to rename it. Okay, directly you should not go to the program and then rename it. Okay, so I'll make that static, non-static, finish. Because when you do a changes, according to that actually what changes where all we have, that will get applied for me. Sorry, just a minute. Static and okay, sorry, this is mine, right? Sorry, I just gave wrongly to a different file. Refactor, rename, yes, and as I just give static, non-static. So this is the place is going to change. So we changed it. So then static variables can be accessed always with the help of a class name. SNS dot. Then all the static members will be loaded. So where it will be loaded means it's a static pool. So I'm able to access A, then my class also is a static, then my main function also is a static. So I'm able to access A right now. So we accessed. Then next, we'll go here. So static variable we accessed here. Then next, actually what I'm gonna do is so. Then I want to access the B, which is a non-static variable. Can I access with help of the class name? We don't have actually what B here. Can I access it directly? No, that also throw me an error because search whenever we give it through help of a variable name, it will go to the local memory of main, and from that place actually what it goes to the static pool. So both the places we don't have it. So that's why actually what it will throw me an error. That's it. Clear? So if I want to access the non-static member, always I need to access it with the help of my class name. So SNS obj1 equal to new SNS. That's the thing. Clear? So now what will happen whenever we create an object? In the object, all the global members will be loaded. So global members means what? It might be static or it might be non-static. All the things actually what will get loaded for me. So I have actually what one static variable integer a equal to 50, one non-static variable integer b equal to 60, and my main function. So these three things will be loaded because these three are global members, static and non-static members. So then I will give here. So if I want to access the non-static member, I need to refer with help of object. So obj1 dot. Now if I see, you can see I'm able to access. So SNS is there, right? That alone is what we are accessing from this class. So B variable I'm able to access, A variable I'm able to access, then my main function. So these three things I can access. Now I want to access the B variable. So B. Static variables alone I'm able to access in three ways. One is with help of the class name, one with help of the object name, one also I'm able to access directly by the variable name also. These are the three different ways I'm able to access it. Now if I want to print it, right click, run as Java application. See, integer equal to 10. So here system.println I. So what is my I value right now? It is 10. So 10 will be printed for me. Then sns.a. So when I refer with the help of a class name, see sns.a. So a value is what? 50. Then creating an object. Now all the global members gets loaded. Then obj1.b. So what is the obj1 right now for me? It's my object. So dot a. So a value is 50. Sorry, first actually what? Yeah, obj1 dot b. B value is what? 60. obj1 dot a. A value is what? 50. Then directly with variable name. So search will go to main function. Then it will go to the static pool. So 50. So whenever I refer with the help of class name, search directly goes to the static pool. That's the difference. Now if I give integer a is equal to 100, that is I'm trying to create a local variable here called a. Then after that if I give scissor a, now what I'm doing, I'm trying to actually what? Access the variable. That is a. So now what is the a value? That is 100 here. Because whenever I refer only with the variable name, it search goes to the main function. Do we have a variable there? Yes, the value is 100. So 100 will be printed. Then scissor class name dot a. Now what will happen? The search directly goes to the static pool. What is the value there? 50. That's what will happen. Clear for everyone? Anyone has any questions on understanding what is static, what is non-static, what is local variable, and how the search will go when you refer directly by variable name, when you refer by class name, and you refer by object name? And then why actually what when we create a local variable, for a it's printing local value, and then for your class name dot a it's printing me the global level value. Is everyone clear on that part?
Sir, can you explain how the search works?
Uh, that's what. Actually, whenever I refer with help of a class name, always the search will go to the static pool. So in the static pool, do we have a variable? Yes, that is 50. Whenever we refer with object name, always the search will go to the object. Okay. Whenever we refer with help of a directly the variable name, search will go to the main function, that is the local memory. Then if we have the variable, it prints the value. If we don't have, now the search will go to the static pool and then prints the value of that. Understood? Understood, please?
Here we don't have any object, right? System.out.println A here.
Correct.
Here we don't have object. So it goes to the main function. If in main function it is not there, it goes to the static.
Correct. It goes to the static pool.
Okay.
Okay, no worries. I will actually want to explain you with help of a diagram. So then only will be understanding. So I'm going to actually first, for understanding the basics only, I just came to the program. Okay. So
Okay.
everyone understood actually what a little bit, so that we will see the next program a little bit a complicated one, so that you will understand about entirely about static, non-static, and then local. Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood a little bit. Hey, hi, Bharti, you have any question? Good. Okay, guys. So now let me go to a program. So before going to this program, okay, I will just talk to you about string concatenation. Okay, a small concept, so which is the easiest one. Okay, so that you will be understanding what's happening also. Okay, so string concatenation. So what is that? So 100 plus 200, both the informations are number. So that time what will be my value? So 100 plus 200 will add the numbers, and finally it gives me 300 for it. Same thing, hello plus world. So that's equal to hello world for me. So what's a bit? So hello is a string, then world is also a string. So hello world, it will give me. So hello plus world is equal to hello world. So that is, anything comes with the string that will be concatenated. Concatenated means joining the words over there. That's what it will do. Then hello plus 100. So hello is a string, 100 is a number. But anything actually what comes with the string, that will be concatenated, that will be joined. So hello 100 and both the information will come as a string here. 100 is a string, 200 is a number. Anything combined with the string will be concatenated, that is hello 100 both will be a string right now. 200 plus 100, so 200 is a number, 100 is a string, so both will be concatenated. 100 plus 300. So always execution will be done from the left hand side to the right hand side. So 100 plus 300 will be 400. 400 plus 500 will be what? It will be both joined together. So that is 400, 500, which will be a string right now. Because left hand side to right hand side, when it comes, first two things are actually about numbers, then only actually what? It will be joined with the string. So that's why 400, 500. Same thing now, first one is a string, then it's a number. So anything actually what combined with the string will be concatenated. So 100, 200 will become as a string. Then plus 300 what will happen? Again 100, 200, 300, it will be joined together. That's Hello. Sorry, guys. So anything will be added with the string will be concatenated always. That's what. Clear? Everyone is clear on these 6 steps over there? These 7 steps, everyone is clear? Just ping me the chat window as yes if you're clear, so that we'll go for it. I just want to reply from everyone so that I will be sure that actually what everyone has understood it. That's why. Cool. So now I want you guys to execute this output. Okay. So take a paper and pen. Okay. And then give me the output for this. Okay. I want you guys to try and then give me the output for this. Okay. Which is the easiest one, not a big deal. Okay. So I just want you everyone to give me the output for this. Take a paper and pen and then give me the output for this. Okay, execute this program. Okay, it's the easiest one. Just try. So I'll just give you 5 minutes time. 7:35. So let me see how many of them has done correctly. Guys, can I expect the output? Only Bhardi has sent a good Bhardi. Apart from that, anyone has tried? Anyone has tried, guys? Cool. Okay. So let me execute it now. We'll see whether your output matches. So here, when I execute my main function, I have a variable called x, which is having hello, variable called y, which is word, and then a variable called z, which is 100. So all three are string variables. Then I have two integer variables, a and b, which is 100 and 200. So now x plus y. So what's my x value right now? That is hello. So hello plus world. So hello plus world here. So hello plus world, what will happen? Both are concatenation. So my output will be hello world here. Both will be joined together. That's what. Same a plus b. A value is what? 100. B value is what? 200. So what will be my output? That will be 300 for me. Clear? Then x plus a. So what is my x value? That is hello. Then plus a value is what? 100. So that will give me hello 100. Because anything added to a string will be actually concatenated. Then x plus y plus a plus b. So what is x? Hello. What is y? World. So x plus y will be what? Hello world. So that's what this will be. See, x plus y, it will be hello plus hello world plus a plus b. So what is my a value? That is plus 100. So now this will give me actually what? Hello world 100 here. Okay. Hello world 100. Both will be a string. Then plus 200. That will give me actually what? Hello world 100 200. Hello world 100 200 here. Clear? Then a plus b plus x plus y. So a value is 100, b value is 200 plus x plus y. So first actually what is 100 plus 200. That gives me actually what? 300 here. Then plus what is my x value? That is hello. 300 plus hello. Now that gives me okay. Anything added to a string will become as 300 hello. Then after that 300 hello plus y. So y is what? World for me. So plus world. So now that will give me actually what? 300 hello world will be joined. 300 hello world. Still now clear for everyone? Then x plus a plus y plus b. So what is my x? Hello. Plus a. What is my a value? It's 100 plus y. Y value is what? 100 plus b. So what is my b value? Plus 200. So now if you see hello plus 100, anything added to a string will become as a string. Hello 100 is a string plus world will become again concatenated. Hello 100 world plus 200. That's what it will do. Clear? Same thing x plus a plus y, b plus y. So that is x is hello. Then a is 100, b is 200 plus world. So now what will be my output? So hello is a string. So hello plus 100. So hello 100. Then hello 100 plus 200 will be what? So hello 100 is a string. Plus 200 will become as again a string, which will be joined. Then plus world, again it will be joined over there. Hello 100 200 world. Then a plus x plus y plus b. So my a value will be 100 plus x is hello plus y is what? World. Then b is what? 200. So a plus x is what? 100 plus hello. So that will be concatenated. 100 hello plus world. Again, it will be concatenated. Plus 200, again it will be joined. Then next, a plus x plus b plus y. So what is my a? That is 100 plus x. X is what? Hello. Plus b is 200 plus world. So it will be 100 hello. Then plus 200, that is concatenated. Then world. So now next, x plus, okay, so that is, what is x? It's hello plus parenthesis a plus b is 100 plus 200 plus y is what? World. Now can anyone tell me what will be the output for this?
Hello plus 300 world.
So hello plus 300 plus world. Why it will be added here alone? Can you tell me?
As that is in parenthesis.
Correct. Yes. When there is it's a parenthesis level, so first actually what the parenthesis will be executed first over there. So that is hello plus 300, then world. That's the thing. Because the parenthesis takes a priority, then that will be executed for me. That's clear. Any questions for anyone on this, guys? Everyone clear, right? Any questions for anyone on this? Cool. Scroll bar on the right side. What is that? Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we'll see the next program. Okay. So that is, I just want you guys to execute this program. Okay. So now, it's a little bit big program. Okay. You guys want a break 5 minutes? Okay, we'll have a break for 5 minutes. So I just want everyone to listen this program in a very detailed way. We'll have a 5 minutes break and then we'll execute this through help of a memory allocation. So once we do this, you guys will be very clear on about memory allocation, how to use static, how to use non-static, and then how to use local variables. All the three things you guys will be very much sure. So I want everyone to listen this program in a very detailed way. So we will connect by 7:50, a 4 minutes break, then we will connect. Okay. Thanks, guys. A 4 minutes break, we will again connect by 7:50. Okay, so we'll start the session. Okay, so now we are going to execute this program. So whenever we execute this program, so what's going to happen right now for us? A memory allocation is going to be done. Okay, so now let me do this. So first, a memory allocation has been done. So the memory allocation has been done. So the memory allocation name will be my class name with some hexadecimal number. That's it. Then the first memory, what will be created? Uh, a high path. Can you tell me what will be the first memory which will be created into the memory location?
Static pole.
Superb, correct. The static pool is the first memory which will be created. So what are the members will be loaded into the static pool?
That's static int k 40.
Yes.
And then public static void main.
Yes, correct. So I'll public static void main, I'll just write it as
Yes,
up.
yeah.
Yes, correct. Anything else will be loaded? So do we have any
Not
other?
yet.
That's it. So only we have these things actually what in our static pool. Just move this a little bit. Okay, so we have loaded with this. Then after that, what will happen?
Now it will go to the main function.
Correct.
So
A memory for main will be created. That is a local memory for main will be created. Yes, correct. Next.
then it has two local variable, which is I and j, that will created.
Correct. So it creates new variable. Integer I is equal to 10 and then integer j equal to 20. So two variables have been created for me here. Yes. Then
it will print the it's print the local variable. Okay.
yes,
It asks for the system out dot print. So
it
print
prints
the values.
local variable string. Then
Yeah.
what is
Then it
this?
starts the value for the I.
Okay. So
And the
whenever
local variable.
super. When I refer only by variable name, where the search will go?
In the local variable.
Yes, correct. In the local memory. So
Yeah, local memory.
So my main functions is being taken from the static pool. So now what will happen right now? Do I have I variable here?
Yes.
Yes. So the value is 10. So 10 will be printed for me here. Then plus a space. So a space will come. Then here j. So
J.
what is my j value?
20.
Correct. So refer by only variable name goes to the main function. Value will be 20. Yes. A space and then 20. Yes. Then next.
Then it's asked for the global variable k.
Yes.
So it will print the string first.
Correct. Super.
And then it will search in the static pool.
No.
First, local memory.
Why local memory first it will search?
Yeah, because it's present asking from the main function. That's right. So it will go for
No.
the local memory
Whenever
first.
I have only the variable name, search will go to the main function, then it goes to the static pool.
Yeah.
So do we have k in the main function, local
No.
memory? No. Then search will go to the
static pool.
Static pool. That is 40. Clear, right?
Yeah.
Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Parth.
Yeah.
So now, hey, hi, Bharati. Bharati, you there? Hey, hi, Kirti. Hey, hi, Kirti. Can you tell me now system.out.println global local variable dot k. So I'm referring the variable name called k with reference of a class name. Now where the search will go?
The static pool.
Yes, correct. Whenever we refer with the help of a class name, always the search goes to the static pool. So that is 40. Yes. Then next, what I'm doing over here?
Object is create.
Yes, correct. An object is created. So what is the object name?
Global local variable.
No, object name is what?
OBJ.
OBJ. Yes, correct. So what is that global local variable here?
Class name.
That's my reference over here. So what's the reference over there? That means it helps from the object to say what are the global members to be loaded into it. Okay. So that's what. So what are the global members here we have?
Static int k equals to 40.
Correct.
B to 50.
So static int k is equal to 40. So static members alone, what will happen? Always we should take it from the static pool because static members has only a single copy. That's the thing. So my main function also, I will take it from here. Only the non-static members actually what each and every time it loads because duplicates can be created for non-static members. Clear? So int p is equal to 50. Yes. Then next system dot out. Apart from that, do we have any other global members? That's it.
No.
So now system dot out of println obj dot p. So what is my obj dot p means where the search will go?
Object.
Correct. Goes to the obj object. Then do we have p variable?
Yes.
Yes, that's 50. Correct. Then next obj dot k.
K.
Where the search will go?
Object.
Obj object. Then do we have k variable? Yes, that is 40. Yes. Hey, thanks, Kirti. So now next. Hey, hi Pushpanjali. I don't know whether your mic is. Hey, hi Pushpanjali. Okay, still you have a mic problem. I hope so. Good. No worries. No worries. Hey, hi Sakshi Shindal.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, hi Sakshi. Can you tell me now next obj dot p is equal to 60. So what will happen now?
It will go to the OBJ
Awesome. Yes.
and it will write P. So
Correct.
assign the value 60 now.
Correct. So it goes here and changes the value from 50 to 60 here. Yes. Then
Then it again goes to K, changes
yes.
its value to 90.
Correct. So obj, do we have k variable here? Yes. The value will be changed from k 40 to 90. So static members, I already told it has only a single copy. So whenever a change is going to apply in any one place, that change will apply everywhere. Clear? That's the main thing. Any change that has been applied, that will be applied everywhere here for static members alone. Clear, guys? Good. Hey, thanks, Shakshi. Can you tell me next what will happen? So now we have assigned 60 and 90. Now system.println.
Yeah, it will print first P value, that is 60.
Okay, so it takes actually what? First the text information obj.p, the string. Then what is my p value right now?
60.
Yes, goes to the obj. What is the p value right now? It is 60. Correct. Yes. Then
it will write obj.k, k's value 90.
correct. obj.k. So goes to obj. What is the k value? That is 90. Correct. Then after that, system.println. Now what will happen?
It will print global local variable.
Super. Yes.
And then k's value, that is
Yes. So whenever I refer with help of a class name, where the search will go?
to the static pool.
Yes, correct. So what are the k value here?
90.
90 will be printed. Yes, that's it. Then now what I'm doing?
You are creating a new object.
Yes, correct. So I'm creating a new object.
obj1.
Yes. So where the previous object is being created from the main function, then again in the main function I'm creating another object. That is obj1. Yes. Now what will happen?
Now,
All the global members will be loaded. So static members alone, from where we have to take? From the static pool. Why? Because it has a single copy.
mhm,
So the value, current value of static is 90. Then public static void main. Then after that, actually, what is my non-static variable? It is 50, because this will create duplicates. But static members only actually what will not create duplicates.
okay,
Clear?
yeah,
Yes. So now we have loaded it. So then after that, now system.println obj1.p.
obj1.p and p value will be 50.
Correct. So obj1.p. So it goes to the obj. What is the p value that is? 50. Yes, correct. Then next, obj1.k.
Okay,
So goes to the obj1. What is the k value?
9.
90. Because static members always will have a single copy, so which will take the current value only always.
Yeah,
Yes. Then finally, global local variable.
and 90.
Then when I refer with class name, where the search will go?
Static pool.
Static pool. Yes. So that will print me 90.
Right.
That's it. A good Sakshi. Awesome. Good. So now next, hey, hi Vijay Lakshmi. Hey, hi Vijay Lakshmi, you there? Okay. Hey, hi Parth.
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me? So global local variable dot k equal to 20. So now what will happen?
So it will change the value of the static 20.
Correct. So goes to the static pool.
Static pool
90 will be changed to
20.
20 now. So but actually whenever there is a change is going to apply over there in the static member. What
It
will
will
happen?
apply everywhere.
Yes, correct. So all the places the change will apply to 20
Yeah,
here.
for the static. Yeah.
Yes, that's the thing. Because static members has only a single copy. Cool. So now next, obj1.k is equal to 70. Now what will happen?
So it will again replace 20 with the 40. It will go to the static pool
Yes.
because of the single copy of the static integer.
Yes, it will
So
change here to
20 to 70.
Along with that, what will happen?
Changes apply everywhere.
Correct. So everywhere the change will apply, because static members, whenever you do a change, that change applies everywhere. Correct. Then obj1.p is equal to 25.
25. So it will go to the object 1
Yes.
and such is the value. Then here it is 50. So changes to the 25.
Correct. So will this change apply anywhere?
No,
No.
just object 1.
Correct. That's it. Yes. Then next, I'm going to create global local variable obj to equal new global local variable. What will happen now?
So it will create the values in the object 2.
Yes.
The
Another
value
object.
will be the static.
Yes. So static members alone, from where it will take?
From the static pool. So static
Yes.
and
Yes. What is the current value of actually k?
70.
70. So 70 will be taken. Then my
Public
main
static
function.
variable.
Then
Value of p.
correct.
Global
So
non-static variable.
Yes, correct. So it takes from the old previous one only. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So this object is created from this. Correct. Good man. So then a good part.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next. Next. Hey, hi Kirti. Now can you tell me what will happen now? So this step, I'm giving global local variable dot k. So what will happen now? Referring with the help of a class name.
Main function.
Sorry, when I refer with the help of a class name, where the search should go?
Static.
Static. Well, superb. So here do we have k variable? Yes. The value is 70. Yes, 70 will be printed. Okay. So I'll just move these lines a little bit top so that we can see it. So I'll just put it over here as of now. Okay. So then is obj2.p. So what is the p value in the obj2?
50.
50 will be printed. Yes, correct. Then obj2.k.
70.
Yes, it's 70. Then next obj.p. obj.p.
60.
60, because in the obj we have the value called 60 over there. Yes. Then obj1.p.
25.
25. Yes, correct. So the p variable alone, actually, if you see, everywhere actually what? It's different because it will have duplicate variables. Static pool will have actually what? A single variable across everywhere. So now if we execute the same program, you can see the same output here also. Clear? Everything will be same. 70, 50, 70, 60, 25. Like that. Clear? Now everyone, okay, so now we have executed the entire program. So once we execute this entire program, so now what will happen right now for us? Just a minute, guys. Okay, so once we execute, it comes out of the main function. When it comes out of the main function, what should happen? So the main memory will be deleted. Then once the main memory is deleted, from the main only these objects have all has been created. So all the objects gets deleted. Then it comes out of the entire program. Okay, now what will happen? Static pool and the entire memory will be deleted by the garbage collector. Correct? Any questions for anyone on this? So everyone clear about static, non-static, and then the memory usage? Everyone is clear? I just want a response from everyone so that I will be sure that actually everyone is clear. So Kirti, Vijayalakshmi, Sakshi, everyone is clear, right? Cool. Okay, guys. So with that, I will complete for today. So next class will be on Monday. Okay. So we will be starting with functions. So from today onwards, the demo sessions have been completed, guys. So from Monday, if you're interested over there, you can just make the payment over there to me or to the consultancy. So you guys are confirming from the consultancy or from the institute form. So please connect to them, and then after that you can make the fees. So others actually, what if you're a direct student from my side, please contact me, and then you can make it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. So we'll again meet on Monday, same time, same meeting ID. Thank you. Bye, guys.